Camping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly hot like a sauna. Busting nothing, no one trying to weave an anaconda.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Janae, and today I'm teaching y'all how to wax your underarms at home. Now, before we get into this video, I always advise you to go to a licensed professional first. But you know, some of y'all be liking to do a little DIY, so at least I want to tell y'all how to do it the right way. But before we get into that, I do want to go over some contraindications of waxing. The main things, if you're taking any kind of like antibiotics, Accutane, any kind of medicines that could make your skin thin or make you bleed easily, you want to be off of that for about 2 weeks before you wax. If you just got like a chemical peel or any other kind of treatment to your underarm, you don't want to do anything, well, to any of your skin, but specifically because I'm talking about underarms, but to any of your skin, if you got any kind of treatment done within like a week or so, you want to wait until you're healed. If you have any like bruises, fractures, spines, you want to wait until you're healed before doing any waxing. If you have diabetes, you want to be very careful because your skin could take a long time to heal. So like, you know, any kind of, you know, what am I trying to say? This could cause you to bruise or have some kind of scar. So you want to be careful with that. If you have any kind of sunburn, if you've been in a tanning bed, you need to wait 24 hours. If you have sunburn, you have no business getting waxed right now. Any kind of chemotherapy or radiation, you want to avoid waxing. And that's about it. Yeah, so to wax, what you need, of course, is a wax pot. You need some wax beads. You want to be mindful of the wax that you get. If you ever been to like European wax center, like their wax is specifically made for people with sensitive skin. So if you know that your skin is sensitive, you want to look for a wax that is good for sensitive skin. The wax that I use, I don't have it down here with me, I don't have the bag, but I use Derm wax, and I use it's white beads. It's hypoallergenic. It's really safe for sensitive skin, any kind of skin. I'll put a picture on next to me. But yeah, the pot I use is from Miss Sire. I got it from my wax training that I did. And then you want to make sure that you have a pre-cleanser, post treatment, like a lotion or something to moisturize the area, and powder and gloves. Now, I ran out of gloves, but I still want to do this video, and I need my underarms waxed, so don't be like me. And I also ran out of baby powder, but I don't sweat that much, so I don't really need baby powder. But if you are very moist, on like if you sweat a lot in the area, you definitely want to make sure that you have baby powder. So we're gonna get right into it. So when it comes to your wax, you want to make sure that you have the temperature right for the wax beads that you have. Like it should say on the back or on the website somewhere the recommended temperature. So mine is a low temperature wax, so I only need my pot on about 98 degrees for it to be right. So you definitely want to make sure that you don't want to burn yourself. So test it on the inside of your wrist before you go in on whatever you're waxing. And yeah, first I'm gonna go in with my pre-cleanser. This is from Miss Sire as well, and it is the pre-depilatory cooling gel. It deeply cleanses the skin before waxing. It's good for the face and the body, and it also has a cooling sensation. It's paraben free, mineral oil free, and it's vegan, so I don't have any complaints about it. Ooh, it's cold. I'm gonna get right in there. So then typically at this point, after I did the pre-cleanser, I will go right in with the baby powder to get rid of all the moisture. But because I don't, I'm just gonna dry off my underarms from that. So this is how you test it. You go in right in on your wrist and just slap that thing on. See how it feels. If it's too hot, clearly you gotta wait. If it's good, then you just go on about your waxing experience. Mine is good, like I said, and it's low temperature, so it's very kind of hard for me to burn myself. But like what I like about this wax is clear wax, and then once I know it's good to pull off, it gets like this cloudy white. And just pull it right off. I love it. So I got the wax on, and then I'm just gonna go in. This is weird looking at it. Because I know which way my hair grows already, that's why I just went in right in and on it. But you want to make sure that you're paying attention to which way your hair grows. And like some people's underarms specifically, they'll have like some hair going up this way, like half of it going up and then half of it going down. So you're putting the wax the direction of the hair growth, and you're pulling it the opposite of the hair growth. So that's why I put mine down like that, and then I usually do a second one going the opposite way that I've laid it. You'll see. The key to a good wax strip is making sure that your lip is a real good lip, and it's thick enough to where you could just pull it right up. That's not gonna come off with it. Let's see if I can group it together. Yeah. Alright. So ideally you would want to try to like so I just really stretch my arm, but you want to keep the skin taut. So like if you're flexible enough to kind of like, oh yeah, I can do that. So like kind of do like that, but that's really uncomfortable. So I kind of just stretch my arm around my head as much as I can as I do it. And then you want to and make sure you hold that pressure. And yeah, you want to see? I love looking at wax strips afterwards. Oh, I got it straight out the root. You can see the bulbs. If you see bulbs, that's how you know you did good. I don't know if I'm probably not gonna be able to show you all that, but the bulbs is little like, they look like little clear things around the hair at the top. And that's how you know you did a good job. So then I'm gonna do another one going the opposite way. Now, don't be looking forward to how to wax your own Brazilian, because that ain't my ministry. I ain't never try to do my own. I don't have it in me to pull a strip that painful myself. Like, if you do, personally, I think you're a crackhead. But you know, to each his own. So the most that I'm gonna show you how to do is the underarm, maybe like a leg or an arm. But I don't even like waxing my legs. Maybe an arm next time. But yeah, don't expect this to be like a little series or something. Take what I'm telling you today with the underarm and apply it to the Brazilian is the best I could tell you. But yeah, as y'all see, I put it the opposite way, so then I'm going to pull it from this way down. Let's see if this. Yeah. Ooh, and we got a little dead skin too. Yeah. I still got some like really small hairs because I shaved really quickly one time before, so all of my hair is not in the same little growth cycle, so we just want to leave those there and move on to the next. And you want to try to have the stick at an angle when you pulling the wax down, because yeah, like I don't know what degree angle it is, but like you don't want to have it like, you want to have it kind of like this and then go down and then come back up, make that lip, and then to get all the extra stray wax pieces. Ooh, that one hurt it. Ooh, that was a good one though. Ooh, look at all them bulbs. Oh yeah. Can y'all see that? Like, let's get into it. For the ones that's weird like me that like to look at it. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Oh, neck cramp. Yeah, so I only got this little bit right here left. That was a good one. That's why it hurt so much. So see how I got it at an angle? And it dries fairly fast. Just a little sticky right here, but like for the most part, see, just like that. How long was that? Like 10 seconds? I don't know. This isn't the best lip, but effort we ball. Oh. You gotta make sure you apply that pressure real fast. It helps tremendously. And then you can fold the wax and just like this to get any excess wax pieces off. Or you could just pull it off if that doesn't work. Typically after the two, any excess, I would just go in and tweeze. But I don't know where my tweezers are, so I'm just going to do a little small strip like this. Let's see if I could. Yeah. And just flip it off real quick. And I got them little hairs left. That was a little professional move. I wouldn't try to do that. Just make a little strip and just pull it off like regularly. That's it. We got some clear underarms now, nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna go in with my post depilatory, which is a moisturizing emulsion, also from Miss Sire. It reduces redness after waxing, deeply rehydrates the skin, and it's also for the face and the body. It has a strong antioxidant and moisturizer compound, and it's also vegan, paraben, and mineral oil free. So I hate them little things. You know how when you don't use something in a little minute and it had a little dried up piece of product? I hate that. But yeah, we just put a little bit, go right in, and it definitely helps. Like if you're irritated, it feels so good on your skin. Oh, it's so smooth. I just want to keep touching it. Now we have 2 clean waxed underarms. And that's the end of this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you'd like to see any more waxing videos that's not Brazilian, let me know down below. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
On enough, got Diego. Say hasta